I'm Chef Colin Campbell from Crudo, and today we're deep frying turkeys. You gotta make sure that your turkey is super, super dry. Pat it dry with some paper towels. Dry the inside really, really well, because if you don't do that, then there's a good possibility that it's gonna overflow while you're frying it. All right, now that it's nice and dry, we gotta get a little good spice mixture going. We've got some dried oregano, chili flakes, onion powder, paprika, and garlic powder. So what you're gonna do is just wanna mix all that up. In here we got some melted butter. What you wanna do is just infuse some of this right into the melted butter. Stir it up real nice. We'll let that infuse for a little bit. All right, now the hardest part. We've got our turkey injector. Now we're gonna open up the skin a little bit, inject it right into the legs. Give it into a few different spots of the legs. More butter the better. All right, now that we got the butter injected in, we're gonna take the remainder of our spice mix and we're gonna rub it right inside underneath the skin. Try and get it back up as far as possible. Wrap it around the legs. Same with the other side. Then with the deep fryer, you don't wanna put too much on the outside because it will burn a little bit, but just a little bit on the outside. Flip it over. Now that we got the rub all over it, take the next side, we're gonna put it on our frying stand. So now that we've got it on our frying stand, we've got our deep fryer rolling at 300 degrees right now. You're gonna wanna start it at 300 degrees. So now we're just gonna put on our glove, grab our little handle. We're gonna take it over to the deep fryer and drop it on in. You're also gonna wanna drop it in really, really slow, just in case there's a little bit of liquid left in there or any part is frozen in the center, because that will make it overflow. So after you drop it in, you turn up the fryer, it'll like come up to 350 degrees, and that's exactly what you want. For this recipe and many, many more, go to Thanksgiving.com.